Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. I got the Allure box for June. The Allure Beauty Box is a fantastic box. It is $25 a month and that does include your shipping. If you buy it for longer than a month, you will get some discounts on it. I don't know if they do 3 months, 6 months, 12 months like that. I mean 12 months I know they do because that's how I buy it. And I save money on it. So it was sealed here, and when you open it, this is what it looks like inside. These are nice sturdy boxes that you can use. Again, I use them all the time for shipping out giveaways. And this is the little brochure, and here comes Camille sticking her head in. The minute she walks over, her in blue, okay? The fur goes a-flying. Let me tell you real quick what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the Give lipstick from, oh, it just went out of my head, y'all. Gwen Stefani. If these cats weren't around, I wouldn't have such memory issues. Gwen Stefani, sorry y'all. This is Stomp Box, and it is a neutral, very nice neutral. Feels really good on my lips, y'all. I really like it. Really love the formula, pretty packaging also. And then I am wearing the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Oops. You can't even see it because it's so much glare there, y'all. Sorry. This is the back of it. It's a copper, anyway. These are the colors, and that's what I'm wearing. And I received this gorgeous palette from Cici, Cici's Trial Size Life, and also Cici has a channel called Panning for Goals. I'll put both of her channels below. She hasn't really done much on Cici's Trial Size Life in a while, but you can go check her out if you'd like to. And let's look at this little brochure. This is, sometimes there's a little stamp. Sometimes it's impossible to see. I don't see it. We got an email sometime last month saying that we had to choose something. So I did try to notify people. I put it on my community tab. I put it on my Instagram. Because we got to pick one product, and it's the Christoph Robin line, hair line, and there were 4 products to choose from, so we got to pick one. There's also they're advertising their GQ box. I've seen some people get these for their husbands or spouses or brothers or fathers or whatever. Father's Day is here. The GQ box is really nice. I think it's a quarterly box. I could be wrong. It might not be, but there is a GQ box subscription. It says great for dads and grads. So, and it is that time of year. And then they also have this limited edition fragrance box, which is really nice if your significant other or your father or somebody loves perfumes or, colognes, whatever. And then there's a little tissue in there, and then here's what it is inside. Let's see, there's another card inside. It says Face Reality. Okay, we have a product from Face Reality. So there it is. This is what I chose. Now, y'all, I was waiting on the mail. It's a long story. I don't know what the 4 choices were. I don't remember right now. Hang on, the meal came up while I was looking. So there was a choice of Christoph Robin, a leave-in mist, which I do like. I've had it before, and I have one, so there was no need for me to get that. That's nice. After you wash your hair, you put that on, and then you can, it helps with your styling. There was a curl butter. So if you have curls, doesn't that sound luxurious? Curl butter. And also a color shield mask that looked like it was in a tube like this. And I chose this one, which is a delicate volumizing conditioner with rose extracts. Uplifted roots and fuller lengths. I don't know about fuller lengths, but uplifting roots is nice. So it's probably, well, I can't even get it open, y'all. Maybe it isn't. It smells like roses. I can smell roses. So maybe it is not sealed, but I do like that kind of cap in the shower because that's, pop off and, you don't have to unscrew something and lose the top. But I was going to take it off to see if there was a seal, but I can't tell. So Christoph Robin is wonderful hair care items. So let me see what the value of it is. So it is, depends on what you get. The mist was $39, the butter $32, the conditioner, which is what I got, $42, and the color mask was $42. So right, $42 right there. I could never buy this, but I have had Christoph Robin items before, and they're really wonderful for your hair. Wonderful product line. I think he also has skincare because I think I had a moisturizer from this line. So, and I am assuming it's a man. I don't even know that. So, why you'll love it. Christoph Robin is known for hair care that's as effective as it is elegant. And these products leave hair looking healthier and smelling divine. This month, you got to choose one of several hydrating, nourishing options from the legendary hair brand. Okay, so that is what that is. And they start off in the little booklet. They tell you, here is the editor. She's the deputy beauty director, sorry. On hot summer mornings, the moisture-drenched products in your June Allure Beauty Box are as refreshing as an iced latte. And she goes on, you know. So let's move on. I can smell rose like you wouldn't believe. And this is open, and this is a rose product. So this is Earth Harbor Tidal Rose Crystal Hydration Toner. I have this, and it is very nice. And this is, it's $16 for a 60 ml. This is a deluxe sample. This is $20. I mean, sorry, 20 mLs. So it's 1/3 of the full size. So $16 is a full size. So this is a little over $5. It's precious. It's plastic, I think. Usually their stuff is glass, but I've had this before. It's very nice. It's a toner, and it is rose. Now, there's a few things in here that smell like rose, so, but that's that. And then we have this item from Face Reality. This is a Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser Daily Calming Wash, and that is what this card is about. This says, Face Reality, enjoy a full-size Barrier Balance Creamy Cleanser. Your skin deserves it. Cleanses gently and powerful. That is what I like. I have to have a gentle cleanser. I don't want anything that's going to strip my skin. Specially formulated for acne-prone skin, so maybe I wouldn't necessarily use this. I don't know. Soothing for every skin type, though, it says. Supports skin's barrier and microbiome. Used for cleansing, double cleansing, and makeup removal, it says. And they do show different age of people using it. So it says, get clear skin for good. So it is $35 value for the 180 mLs, which is what this is. So this creamy cleanser refreshes complexions, but doesn't leave skin feeling dry, tight, or worse yet, covered in a greasy film. So that's important to me. So I may like it, but I have so many cleansers right now, y'all, and cleansers that I adore, that I love, like my favorite. I have 2 favorites right now, and I have a lot of it. So I'm not sure that I'll get to this. This might go into a future giveaway, but very nice, $35. So then we have Belief. I haven't seen Belief in a while. For a while we see Belief everywhere, and then I haven't seen it in a little while. This is Belief, B-E-L-I-F, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. Have had this many times. It's $38 for the full size. This is not full size. This is the full size is 50 ml. This is 10 ml. Cute little box and all. It says, don't let the word cream in the name fool you. This formula feels light going on, which has made it a staple in more than one Allure editor's summer skincare routine. And when it sinks into the skin, it leaves a plump, hydrating feeling behind. Even if you're sweating, you can still get your skin hydrated because the moisturizer seeps in rather than sitting on top of the skin. So this little container, this is what it looks like. So it looks like you're getting a little bit, but this has that crazy false bottom going on. It's just that little bit there. So it's a cute little container though, that it looks like a little hat. If you're a crafter, you can make this into a snowman hat at Christmas time. You see how cute that is? So that's what I would do. I've had this many times. It is refreshing and a gel-like moisturizer. It smells like, you know, like the earth, like essential oils. So it's filled pretty much to the top of that. So there's a, you know, you can at least get an idea if you like it or not. So that is that. And then we have this crazy thing, which I just saw today on Instagram, because I wasn't sure what was in the box because I was out of town, I wasn't paying attention and all that. So this is Fazit, F-A-Z-I-T, ingrown hair bikini patch. So I'll show you that and then I'll read what it says. This is, it's $19.99 for 12 patches. There are 6 in here, so it's $10 value. As anyone with a razor or a standing waxing appointment knows, ingrown hairs are an almost inevitable part of bikini area hair removal. Tempting though it may be to pick at them with a tweezer, it's not advisable as that can cause infection. These patches aim to extract ingrown hairs with mild chemical exfoliation using gentle lactic and azelaic acids. So you wear a patch overnight for 6 to 8 hours, and remember that deep ingrown hairs may take a few sessions to remove. So that's what these are. There's 6 in here. So, and then our last item this time is a mascara, which is full size. This is the brand Floss. Floss Gets Around. Someone just recently told me that Floss is from Canada, and I don't know that I really ever knew that. This is a $22 value. This is Rise Above. It's in black. Why you'll love it is, like any good duo, the inky formula and silicone wand work together perfectly. In this case, to make lashes look dramatically longer, depositing mascara without clumps. We'd like to see Batman and Robin do that, haha. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes, then run it through the lengths. So $22 for this. I love mascaras, so I'm definitely interested in this. I've never had this before, I don't think. So that is our Allure box. In the Allure box, you get 6 items, and you are guaranteed 3 full-size items, and then the others are deluxe samples, and sometimes you get more than 3 full-size. So we got the Christoph Robin, that's full size, and the Face Reality Creamy Cleanser, which these containers feel nice, and the mascara, the Floss mascara. Those are our 3 full sizes. And then we have the Tidal Rose Earth Harbor Toner, the bikini patches for ingrown hair, and the Belief. Those are our deluxe samples this time. So great summer items in this box. Definitely great summer items. So that is my Allure box, and I do have a link below. I've had several of you say that you have signed up under me. I don't know. They say that maybe I'd get $10 to spend in the shop, and it never happens for me, so it's okay. You know, just you know, look for if you look on Instagram, that shows their good deals. They often have a deal where you'll get $10 off a box, or you might get a free box. I haven't seen that one around in a while. But for me, what always works best for me is buying it by the year. If you can do it, that you end up paying quite a bit less than the $25 per box. But it is well worth the $25. Like I said, any of these items have already paid, you know, this one is almost 20, this is 22. So these almost, you know, just about pay for the box, each one by themselves. So thanks for stopping by and seeing what's in my Allure box, and y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.